Welcome to Step-by-Step Electronics. Today we're going to talk about transistors and circuit diagrams. In the beginning, we're going to talk about transistors. Now, transistors are like little switches that take inputs from the base, or this pin right here, and controls these two. Right? So if you put energy right here, this will go through and say a light bulb shines. But if you have this off, this will go off too. Right? It's kind of like a controller, kind of like a button. Say you have a button right here, press it down, this goes, take it off, it doesn't go through. Right? And we have two types. We have PNP, which is negative, and NPN, which is positive. To tell which kind of energy it needs, look at the middle number. So NPN, that was positive. PNP, that's negative. Let's demonstrate this. So I have my little breadboard. Let me face it so you can see it. So I have it like this, and this is PNP, so it needs negative in the middle. So I put this in. What? Doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Well, when you put energy right here, it also connects with this first one. So me putting directly negative next to this positive makes it a short circuit and can mess up my battery, but I did it for a quick second, so it won't really do anything. So, but it won't work. The LED won't work at all. So how do we get around this? We use a resistor that we used in the previous video. This is a 220 ohm resistor. So you plug that in instead of that wire to negative, and it shines. Take it off, it does not shine. Cool, right? Yeah. And now, if we were to make it NPN, what we do, see, it doesn't work. But as soon as we put it in the positive terminal, it turns on. Now, back to PNP. Let's turn it on. So how would we circuit diagram this, or just diagram? It would look like this. So we have the LED. LEDs look like this. Going to ground. This is the ground symbol, or negative, right? And then this goes to a transistor. That transistor is going up to positive. So let's just put it close right here. Alright? Well, let's have it as a battery, right? Because it's a battery. So how do you make a battery? It's like this. This, this, and this, this. And this goes down to ground also, or negative. Right? And then we just have a little resistor. Resistors look like this, and then it goes to positive, right? This, the longer side is always positive, the shorter side is always negative, right? So this is how you would diagram this circuit. This is the transformer. Need a circle on this. That's the transformer. This is the 200. This is the 220 ohm resistor, like that. This is the PNP. NPN transistor, and this is the LED, right? Put an arrow here. No, not here. Here. Put the arrow right there. So that's how you diagram the circuit. To diagram a capacitor, it will look like this. If you looked at my previous video, I explained how a capacitor is just two plates right next to each other. Well, that is shown in the circuit diagram. So this is capacitor. As I said, resistor looks like this. A button looks like this. Transistor. That's the button. Transistor looks like this. Sometimes I have a circle around it. Sometimes it doesn't. So this is a transistor. And LED looks like this. That's an LED. And just a wire looks like a line. I forgot about the battery. The battery looks like this. And am I missing anything? And ground, or just like the universal negative, looks like this. It's usually abbreviated as GND. So, yep, that is transistors and circuit diagrams. We'll start to use this in our project in the next video.